Compassion Center at West Covina. There is a potluck for Sunday school kids, and there's a test for Tibetan Sunday school. The final test before the school ends. Oh, happy Sunday, everyone. Hope you guys doing great. The Chugu Kasa Land of Compassion. La Dusle de and the three day Saju love the Igu Hamadi Chadi do. And I do say, Saju love the Chili Buzu. See the I do see the Sunday League. Good day, I was shoot Shansha. The Juba Mamush said, the Sanjula Bega, Chizogi, Gidur, the Chizo Gidu, Yamdo, what a Mamush huge, the Shasha, and to see the Oh, those chadi do. They never see our shoes too. You must have been do. And they didn't shot, none did the shot this. And they Chizogi, then a lot of Yagi. Entrance, now a church of the shah. Siva. Gishe did it, Sevilla, Sevilla, that's all. The Jay, the Gabu, good not to go. Not a body. France, Land of Compassion Center. Oh, those children do shoot that. The money probably I was shooting Shansha. Siva. So, one penny. It's a long day, church of the I will shoot shot. I just enjoy our shoot. Land of Compassion. I have Sanjula to the way she loves to choose the big our shoot. Send on shot. I didn't know much either. For the chair, the leakage of the Cabana, I get another. Don't see you there. Roll so, to get the Nagi. The thing of the report lava. And shall I do? Should I was the gallery? So that's Sanjula is it? Go to do, Shay.
Okay, second question. Denialo, Chuaniwadi. Chuaniwadi Shamse, Gensiki, Hajuchi. So you have to write the negative, opposite of the following, okay? Okay, and somebody Karisana, Shamse Gaksiki, Gaksi cheese, Gasilana negative, okay? Which negative hero, Jogi negative Kare, Jogi Gazi Kare, okay? And Shiva Dela, Goshen Sum Kari Re. I just give this one here so that remind you that you already learned this one. Okay, you should be knowing this one. Nam tu she's Kari Kare. How do you have to write this? Ladun Dunti. Also, Eden na teacher. Okay, then Geba Dina Lido, Geba, Ladungi Che, Che, Partong knowledge. Partong means Partong Lankare. Blanks. Okay, T means you have to write in the blank. Howsa? So you have to write Ladung Che de la Hosa, Ladung Che Dina Che de la. Now only one thing is like
Oh, that's something he go to so the clock starts.
If you don't know the answer, just skip to next question. Okay, just don't hang on the only one question. Then you can write in English. It's okay. Okay, next is
Yandu ga maro